Good morning. This is your little nook. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Lately, I have been loving these like day in my life, week in life, routine types of videos. So I wanted to show you guys what a typical Saturday morning for me looks like. So it is 10:20 a.m. I tend to like sleep in on Saturdays. Not really sleep in, I usually get up at like, oh my gosh, I just completely dropped my phone. So anyways, I'll usually wake up at like 9ish and then I'll like literally just lay in bed for an hour or so. I uploaded a video this morning and I just came downstairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and have a big bottle of like lemon water. That's something I've been doing in the morning, and I'm just gonna make a cup of coffee. So I just cooked up some rolled oats. These are from Trader Joe's, and I have like banana and blueberry in here. I'm gonna put some cinnamon on top. What is oatmeal without cinnamon? That may have been a little bit too much, but oh well. If you guys didn't see, a few weeks ago on Instagram, I did a little giveaway. So I did randomly select a winner, and I'm packing all this stuff up for her. I'm so excited. And I have like all this leftover stuff from like that DIY video I did. So I'm just gonna like package it up all cute, and then I'm gonna go ship it off so she gets it sometime next week. So speaking of giveaways, I'm actually holding another one right now. So Zushio was kind enough, and a couple weeks back they sent me these 3 pairs of shoes, and I've been wearing these so much. I picked out shoes that have a very small heel. These ones are flats, but both of these have small heels just because, I don't know, I don't really own many shoes with like a small block heel. Like sometimes I want to dress up, but I don't feel like wearing a 4-inch heel. So these have been really cute for that, and they're all really neutral, which is like kind of my style right now. So if you want to enter, you literally just have to follow the 3 Instagrams that I'll have listed below, and then there's going to be a link in my description box, and you can enter it through that website. And if you don't win, you can still actually get 15% off, so that's awesome. The key to a good day is water. I used to drink like 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day. Like I literally was living on, for the past 2 years, 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day. I would just feel like so low on energy, and I didn't realize, but I was actually just dehydrated. I wasn't drinking enough water because I was relying on caffeine. So now I still have my cup of coffee in the morning, but I make a conscious effort to always just like be sipping on a cup of water. And for me, like water has never really been something that I just like wanted to down. So I have to put lemon in mine to like make it feasible, I guess. Who wouldn't want to like drink delicious lemon water? Anyways, right now I am about to go mail this. Alright, so I did want to just show you guys a couple things I also picked up from Target while I was out. Okay, I am so excited about this. I don't think I've ever been so thrilled to pick something up from Target. But you guys, I finally got this heart pillow that I've been eyeing for over like a month now. This was part of their Valentine's Day collection this year, and it was like a $25 or $30 pillow, and I am not gonna pay that for just like one little toss pillow. But it was like on clearance, and I got this thing for $6, so yes please. I honestly almost got 2, but I was like, no, 1 is always enough. And then I just got a couple of like random things. I got some like almonds, and then this rose gold foil mask. These foil masks are so awesome. Also, I did want to thank you guys. In one video I recently made, I asked you for opinions on face masks, and you guys gave me some like awesome suggestions, so thank you. I'm a sucker for like cute little socks like these. Plus we have dogs, so socks for me don't usually last a long time because they just like to kind of, you know, sneak away with them. Alright, so I'm coming at you guys from my garage. Oh my gosh, my car is an absolute disaster. Like, I have a big car, and I feel like when you have a big car, it's just so easy. Oh, I hiccuped again. I feel like it's so easy just to throw stuff in your car, and like, I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm not proud, but like, are you ready? Like what? 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 So yeah, I am just going to clean the crap out of my car. I have one of these, it's like one of those dust busters, and it's really good for cleaning cars. So. This into perspective, like how much stuff I had in my car. This is the bag of trash. This is a bag of just stuff that needs to go back in my house. And then I don't know how, but I just randomly had like all of these Tupperware containers apparently. Alright you guys, that basically sums it up for my productive Saturday morning routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I did just want to remind you guys that every Saturday is not going to be like this for me. Some Saturdays I'm running around and like doing a bunch of random stuff not at home. Some Saturdays I sleep in until 1 p.m. So it really differs, but like on my ideal productive Saturday, this is what I would do. Don't forget to leave me some requests in the comments below. I love hearing input from you guys. It gives me such good ideas, so I've really been appreciating all your feedback lately. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I'm having that giveaway and I would love for you guys to participate in that. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good weekend thus far. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!